This video will demonstrate how to use the basic features of a GenMed horoscope. To power on your horoscope, there's a power button on the top left. Once you press that icon and wait a couple minutes, your horoscope will power up. Now, the front of the device is rather simple. There's the power bar, which shows blue at the top when it's fully charged, and a orange pinkish color at the bottom when it's low battery. There's brightness settings to make it darker and brighter. However, most of the lenses will automatically adjust, so you might not really need to press that. We also have the menu button. This will allow you to cycle through different menu options. Most of these will generally stay the same. If you want to exit menu mode, you just press the menu button again. Now that you've seen your horoscope up close, I'll show you how to use it and interact with the clinic. Now, as you can see, I've already clicked the button that's depicting the horoscope. If that's applicable for your clinic, you're going to want to make sure to turn that on. Sometimes, however, if you remove it, it will automatically start streaming from the horoscope camera. Now, as you can see, the camera is now seeing what I'm using the horoscope on. This is also the same view the far end provider will see. Now, this scope is the general lens scope. It's going to be for general viewing if the patient's somewhere that the camera can't get to. Now, this one is also useful if I want to demonstrate something and take a picture, for example. What I'm going to do is press the middle button on the horoscope. So I click that one time and I actually just was able to take a picture. Now you can sit and discuss with the far end provider and the patient anything about what you see on the screen. Now, if I want to continue going back into live viewing mode, all I do is press that middle button one more time. And as you can see, it's now back to regular viewing. Now, this is the general lens. To undo the general lens and substitute it with a different one, I'm just going to do 1/4 turn counterclockwise and it will come out. As you can see, the screen is blue as there's no lens for it to actually transmit. What I'm going to demonstrate next is the derma lens. Now, all the lenses, getting them on and off are the same. You're not going to be able to see on camera, but there's a very small black dot, and I'm going to find the other black dot on the back of the horoscope. All I need to do is line these up and give it one simple twist clockwise, and then the derma lens will be on. Now, you won't be able to see anything yet because it's meant for very up-close viewing. Now, what I'm going to do is put this on my hand, and you'll be able to actually see my skin. Now, again, I'm going to take a freeze frame, and now if you want to discuss something going on with my skin, if there's a cut, abrasion, anything like that, you'll be able to actually take that picture. As you can see, there is also a line indicator right here, so if you want to watch something's growth or healing process over time, there is a measurement to be able to judge it against. Now, I'm going to press the middle button, go back to live viewing, one twist counterclockwise and it will come out. Then I'm going to do the same thing with the otoscope. Find the little black dot on the back and on the back of the horoscope, line them up, one simple twist, and now this is going to be viewing as well. Now, it's going to take a second and then you're not going to be able to see anything. This is meant for the back of the throat and the ears. I'm not going to show you any of that on this video. Instead, I'm just going to make a little ball with my hand and stick it in there. Now, as you can see, I can make it either blurry or come into focus. So I'm going to press OK to freeze frame that. I'm going to adjust that with those dial pad on the back. I'm going to change the focus of the lens and I might be able to get a better picture with it. And when I'm done, I'm going to unscrew it, one click to the left. And I'm usually going to end with that general lens, just in case for the next person. Now, I also want to show you the focus dial on the back of the horoscope. As you can see, my hand is very blurry right now, but as I move the dial, it will become very clear. As you can see now, this is a very clear picture. When I'm done with the horoscope, I'm simply going to put it back on its handle. I will unclick the horoscope icon, and then it will return to the general homepage.